After 9 days, we've got at least 2 workers who were trapped in a tunnel in Bilaspur, an under-construction tunnel. 2 of them have been brought out. Earlier, we had Mani Ram, whose rescue was confirmed. And now, Vishal Monga, my colleague, reporting just a few seconds ago that the second person has also been brought out. Their vitals have been checked and they seem to be in okay health. Naturally, they will have suffered from a certain amount of dehydration. But over the last few days, water and food was dropped to them once the rescue workers managed to establish contact with them. A mobile phone as well as a camera had also been lowered into this cavity that the rescue workers had drilled in several meters of debris which was blocking the entrance of the tunnel. And now we're learning that 2 of the workers have finally been brought out. Earlier in the morning, there was a bit of a setback for the NDRF team because the cavity that had been drilled in the debris, it was not wide enough for the men to be pulled out. But after another 5 to 6 hours effort, we are learning that both of these men you see on the right of your screens right now, this was from Saturday when the camera had first reached them, where they had sent out a message saying that they are safe, but they need to be rescued very quickly. And now, finally, that rescue has taken place. However, there is a growing concern about the fate of the third construction worker who has as yet not been brought out. Also, we're learning that no contact has been made with him over the last few hours, which is why his relatives as well as the NDRF team is worried about his well-being. But the good news for right now is that the laborers who have been trapped in this tunnel, with whom at least the contact had been established, they have been brought out. The NDRF team has finally managed to get inside the tunnel, several meters of which was blocked when it suddenly caved in, and debris, construction material was blocking the mouth of this tunnel, and behind it were the 3 construction workers, and now 2 of them have been brought out. That's the latest that we are hearing from Bilaspur. Hopefully we'll be getting Vishal Monga live from the spot as well very soon, but the first images that you're getting right now are of those 2 construction workers who have been finally rescued. The latest images that we are getting from the spot. We'll also be getting Vishal Monga on the line. It's been over a week, remember, that these construction workers have been stuck there. They belong to Himachal Pradesh. Mani Ram was the first person who was brought out. There were 2 more people who were stuck there, who were trapped inside along with him. But the third one is about whom the rescuers are most concerned now.